I'm gonna hold on to this here, slowly take myself. I'm good. I just broke that thing off on purpose. But anyway, guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Say to say my first attempt in figuring out how to climb back on the boat. Yeah, I'm on my hair. I had to wash that yesterday. Swimming in water every time. It's so bad. But yeah, I'm able to get back on the boat. Self-rescue. So first, two ways. If the boat flips over with the motor, which I don't want, because you don't want the motor to go under water, even though Yamaha, they say it's very good. And if it goes on the water, you can get it back up and running. But yeah, that way, flip the boat back over is simple. But in terms of coming onto the boat, yeah, I'm glad that I'm able to do that now. So it just means I can literally go out to sea if I need to, and I can come back on without much issues. In this level water hasn't been so bad. But anyway, I'm going to head back over, try to whip up something to eat. I don't know what time it is, but I am getting hungry. What are you doing? Yeah, so let's head over and try to get something to eat. This is actually where the ginger beer is. Funny story, I've never put my boat in reverse before, so I'm going to try that right now. Let's see something. Is this reverse? You know what? Let's do that out at sea. In the meantime, I'll put my paddles in reverse, put it this way. And go backwards in the meantime. Yeah, my boat has definitely become a one pole and go boat now, thankfully. And we can try going into reverse when I have some space to really mess around. So let's try out reverse. I get the idea. We're home. Got a large chunk of butter. Honestly, I'm so hungry, I don't want to talk about food. I just want to eat. This breadfruit is perfect. It's been here for about 2 days. Very buttery. Oh my god. Wow. Very good king crab. Really good. This also is buttery. Didn't cook it for too long, but it absorbed all that flavor. The only thing I could say, because the fire was so harsh, I did get some charring on the red chili flakes, but no worries, still is good. The only thing I would change is to add the red chili flakes a little bit later on, because cast iron pots really hold heat. Oh, those juices though. Oh. Oh, look at that. Rastaman, the weak shall inherit the earth. I'm having a very, very, very bad hair day. Yeah, salt and dry head don't really work. But yo, I've been hearing some sounds like, it sounds very thunderous. I'm not seeing anything, no boats or nothing like that. So I'm guessing like there's gonna be a little bit of rain that's gonna happen. Oh yeah, I did commit a really, really huge cardinal sin just now. My stomach is so freaking full, it's ridiculous. Like, wanna see my baby? Oh, never mind. I don't wanna embarrass myself. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here today. For me, it was a vibe. Sorry for my laundry that's in the backdrop, I know. It's one of those things. I'm ready to see things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation. Thanks for liking the video. Always remember, keep the link.